When I first saw Clive's photos and his stats, I knew that he could see great progress on the program, and he did.
I think the whole coaching concept really changed everything for me because Liz helped me to learn about nutrition, about exercise. She kept me motivated.
You just completely changed the way you felt physically, and the way that you thought about food and the way you thought about fitness had completely been changed.
All of a sudden, I just had this feeling of, holy cow, you're not your body, you can be different, you can change.
And every time he got excited, I got excited. And when I was excited to share something with him, he had something to share back with me. And I think that that made it a really great experience for both of us.
Dropping the weight and the diet and sleep and water, I mean, I don't know, my joint pain is pretty much gone. She'd help me meet my goals, she'd help me set goals, she helped me probably do things that I didn't even think I could do. You know, it is funny because Liz, to me, I'll always say she's my coach, but she's a good friend. I mean, I just love her like one of the family.
Oh.